rekindling the romance of rail travel while developing the revenue streams of tomorrow. From the age-old steam train to the fastest bullet train, railways traverse some of the most spectacular landscapes on Earth and pass through diverse cultures and peoples. Simply defined as tourism that involves the railways, there are still many questions left unanswered. What is the future of this form of tourism? How will countries, regions, and companies leverage off these railways for the creation of tourism revenue? This is what makes Railway Tourism 2010 so vital. Railway Tourism 2010 is a 3-day forum hosted in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. It will include a welcome reception, post-event workshop, Railway Tourism Awards, and site visits. The program is designed to develop an understanding of this growing yet undervalued sector. Railway tourism has been created to act as a platform for enhancing global cooperation within this dynamic and growing sector. Visit our website www.RailwayTourism.biz. Tourism on track. Railway Tourism 2010.